In this video, I will show you how to share a Google Drive link. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to Google Drive, and if you haven't already, you want to upload the file or folder that you want to share a Google Drive link for. So what I'm going to do as an example is click onto New over here in the left hand side and click onto File Upload. What that's going to do is open up your computer's File Explorer, and from here you can choose your file or folder that you want to upload to Google Drive. As you can see in the bottom right hand corner, the upload has now finished, and what I can do is come over to the left hand side and click onto Recent to find the file that we've just uploaded. Now, to share the Google Drive link for this particular file, what you're going to want to do is come over to the right hand side of the file, click onto the three dots which says More Actions, and you're going to see a menu come up with an option which says Share. Hover over the share option, and what you're going to want to do on the submenu is click onto share. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here what you can do is add an email of someone that you want to share this with. For example, let's take this person here, and you can choose what kind of permission you want to give to them. For example, if you come to the right hand side, you can see we've got the choice between editor, commenter and viewer. Depending on the permission you give will depend on what the person can do with that file, but for now I'm going to leave it to editor and then click send. Now what it's going to do is send a link and invite them to view that file, and another way you can do this is, again, if you come to the right hand side, click onto the three dots, hover over share and again click onto share. On this window you can see that we've now shared it with this person, but if you come down to the general access section, and what you want to do is change this from restricted to anyone with the link. Now once you've done that, again you can set the permission for the link, whether you want that to be for a viewer, commenter or an editor, and then what you can do is click the copy link button down here, which is going to create a share link for this Google Drive file, and of course you can then send that link through to whoever you need to. So that's how to share Google Drive link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.